Finally back for day 2, about 2 weeks later, of working on the FRS. Alright, we'll switch to the phone since the GoPro just keeps dying. So I got the transmission bracket that I ordered, the O-ring for the oil cooler housing, and then the fuel fitting to hopefully make the clearance a little better on the fuel rail. Alright, so just like every part I buy, it doesn't fit. So I've got to make it fit. So this should go up on here like this. But as you can see, no good. So I'm gonna go ahead and iron these out a bit. Alright, now we got our GoPro back. Dustin saved our lives on that one. We got it charged up. So now we got this hooked up. Now I gotta line it up and see where to put my holes in the side here. So I'm just gonna lift it up to about where it should be. Mark some holes, drill them. You'll see. Here we go. Okay, I got the holes drilled, at least the pilot holes. I'll go on the inside and finish them up so I'll make sure they're good because I can't get a very good angle down here. But we're making progress, slowly but surely. Anyway, so here's the one hole, there's the other one. I just did it as a pilot. I'm gonna line them up, like I said, from the inside. So I'm gonna crawl up there now. All right, now we're on the inside of the car. I skipped quite a few steps, but I cut out a bunch of the caulking, and there's my 2 holes. It looks the same on the other side, so I don't need to show you that, but I'm gonna put the transit in there, bolt it in, and maybe start welding a little bit of stuff. All right, so we got those in on the bottom, or on the outside, and then here's the bottom. Transmounted. Making progress. Next I gotta do a little welding up there, weld the nuts on. A couple of little things, weld the plates on, tack and these, and might call it a night. not, I'd say final, but I still gotta paint it. Transmission mounts, success. Alright, so I think we're done for tonight. We got the transmission mounts all tidied up, welded the plates in, got the bolts in there. I'm gonna have to take it all back out, clean it up, paint it, fix the holes, but I'm making moves. Here it is. Round 2. Y'all. Nice and dark so you can't see it. Anyhow, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see something in particular, if there's something I'm missing. I'm just gonna keep trying to do these probably like once or twice a week. So that's what I got. Peace. Thank you.